Hi children, welcome back to the online class of Sri Gokulam Public School Guruvayur. How are you children? Hope you all are fine and safe. And I hope you are enjoying this topic AI, Artificial Intelligence. Children, and now you know certain fields related to AI, then domains of AI and also various applications of AI. Children, in future, if you want to create a new project, AI project of your own, then how will you proceed? So, that will be discussing in this chapter, chapter 2, that is Introduction to AI Project Cycle. And see, it has 6 subunits. Today, let's discuss about the AI project cycle, only the basics. So children, before that let me ask you, what is life cycle? Do you know? Here you can see the life cycle of a human. Children, so what is the peculiarity of a life cycle? Yes, it keeps on going. And there are different stages through which you have to go through. And not only for this, whatever works that we are doing, different stages will be there. And why these stages are implemented? To make our works easier. Even if you are going to make a tea, it also includes different stages. Okay, so like that, our AI project cycle has different stages. Children, so let's see the difference between the AI project cycle and IT project cycle. Here you can see different phases of IT project cycle. So there are 4 distinct phases like design, develop, test and deploy. So it will start from the design, then starts the development of the project. And it will go for testing to check whether the project is working or not. And if the project is working, it will go to the deployment phase, that is deploy. That means the project is ready to give to the customer. So children, the thing is that the projects like IT projects will end with the deployment phase, which means we can't add any improvements to the IT projects. Whereas in the case of AI project cycle, we can make continuous changes. So there is a scope of improvement and further development. Okay. Children, what is a AI project cycle? Yes, it is a proper framework which helps us to achieve the goal of an AI project. And here you can see the 6 phases of AI project cycle. Project problem identification, problem scoping, data acquisition, data exploring, modeling and evaluation. So here AI systems can improve themselves over a period of time. Okay children, that is not possible for IT project cycle. So that is the main difference. Children, in this chapter, AI project cycle is divided into 4 distinct stages. Children, let's discuss about it. So the first stage is planning. So whatever projects that you are going to make, it needs a planning, isn't it children? So planning is needed for the success of the projects. So here AI projects have 2 goals: analyzing things that humans can do and things that humans cannot do. That itself is the problem identification. Planning also includes problem scoping, that is, how to resolve the problem. And it includes 2 steps, that is, project requirement. This is the first step in an AI project cycle. And the second, analytics approach to the project, and that is the second step in the AI project cycle. And in the first one, that is project requirement, to determine the objective of the project, and also includes what all persons who are involved in that project. The next is analytics approach to the project, which includes the strategies which are used to develop a project and also includes how much data will be needed for that project. Next is the second stage, that is data. As we all know, AI systems are very much dependent on large amount of data. And it also contains two stages, that is data acquisition substage and data exploring substage. So the first one is data acquisition, and it is further divided into two parts. The first one is data requirement. Every AI project will have different data requirement. That is the specific information or data that is needed for the project. So we should identify the sources of data, which means from where the data will be obtained and the format in which the data is required, and also identify individuals who will maintain this data. And the next is data collection. It is based on the data requirements that we will collect data, and it involves a number of people like developers, data architects, data administrators, etc. So that's about the data acquisition. And the second substage is data exploring. So now we have collected the data. From that we have to explore the useful data, that is the data exploration. And it also consists of two stages, that is exploratory data analytics, which deals with validating or verification of the collected data to see if it meets our requirement. And then the data preparation, this is the final step in the data stage. It involves preparation of the data. And the third stage is modeling. So children, it refers to select the specific algorithms and building AI models for working with the data. So what is that? We have to select a model depends on the problem and the data. That is the model selection, which means once the algorithm is decided, you can develop the model for your AI system. And the fourth stage, that is evaluation and deployment. That is the final stage of the AI project cycle, which involves testing of the system and system deployment. So in that, several sub-stages are there. That is project evaluation, which means testing the system to see whether the system is working properly. And then goes to the next stage, that is project deployment. That is, if it is working properly, they have to be deployed for making them effective. So it is done after the project clears the testing and evaluation stage. In the case of IT projects, it will end with the deployment stage, but here AI projects, it will be followed by a system tuning stage. That is the 10th substage in which these projects can be retrained and retuned for ensuring their accuracy and effectiveness. Then the 11th substage, that is the project review, that is evaluating the project to gain learning from it. So these projects after deployment too, we can use for future use. That is, we can separate the code and use it. Also, we can find out the areas for training and development. So that is what meant by project review. Children, today we have discussed about the 4 stages of AI project cycle. So what are they? Planning, data, modeling, and evaluation and deployment. So these are the 4 stages, and these stages also include several sub-stages, about 11 sub-stages. So we will discuss more about each stages in the coming classes. And I hope you understand about the topics that I have discussed here. Please read the textbook. That's all for today. Let's see in the next class. Till then, bye.